Hi guys, today I'm gonna show how to fix the teleport failed error code 769 in Roblox. Before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. And usually this error is occurred due to the game developer's teleport service is not set up correctly, server issue, or slow unstable internet causing teleport to on timeout, account restriction, and Roblox glitch during teleport handshake. So let's see how to fix it. So our first step is to rejoin the game. Leave and rejoin the game. If the teleport bug is temporary, it's automatically fix it. So this is gonna be our first step, and the our next step is to try the another server. For that you need to enter into your home page and scroll down, pick the game and scroll down, choose the different server manually, and also make sure you are running the latest Roblox version. If not, please update it. And our third step is to clear the cache. So for that, please press Windows R and type local app data %local app data and press OK. Once you're done, you are redirect to the folder. Pick the Roblox folder and again the log folder. Delete all the files and folders. Press Ctrl A to select all and delete it. That's it. And our fourth step is to enter into the control panel. Search for control panel and open it. Please change view by, if it's in category, please change it to large, and then select network and sharing center. Here what we are gonna do is we are just changing our DNS, and here we need to select change adapter settings and select your network, enter into the properties, and then choose the protocol version 4. Usually it's in obtain DNS server's address automatically, but you need to enable use the following DNS and then set it as 8888 and 8844. Once you set, just click OK, and then again press OK. Close it. Our next step is to flush the DNS. For that you need to enter into the CMD and make it as run as administrator. And type ipconfig space /flash DNS and again netsh space winsock space reset. Press enter. After it's done, you need to restart your system. Type exit and now you need to restart your system. After restart, please check the game. If it's not working, please plug in and plug out your internet adapter and then use it. I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.